Well, last week we got information from Odessa police. They will be reopening a case where a priest was murdered and another man put behind bars. Rachel Robinson has more on this case and why one Texas organization is getting involved. Rachel.
Yeah, that's right, Crystal. Father Patrick Ryan, a Catholic priest, was murdered at a hotel in Odessa in December of 1981. A man named James Reyos was convicted and put behind bars after he confessed to the crime while he was intoxicated. Reyos recounted his confession, and groups including the Odessa Police Department believe Reyos is not responsible. The Innocence Project of Texas also filed a lawsuit to overturn Reyos' conviction. We spoke to the leaders of the Innocence Project of Texas and have more on what's next. The Innocence Project of Texas filed a lawsuit seeking to overturn a murder conviction on this man, James Reyos.
We filed the lawsuit because there's proof of James's actual innocence. And as soon as we got proof of his innocence and we knew that we had a pathway to have some kind of litigation, that's when we filed the lawsuit.
Most of the evidence from the case had been destroyed, but Clayton got a call from Odessa officials that there may be hope.
They had found some fingerprint templates over at the Odessa Police Department, that they had run those and that they had gotten hits, and that they thought now that we had the identity of some people who were at least on the scene, that maybe that would help improving Mr. Reyos' innocence.
From here, the state will respond to the lawsuit and then a possible hearing.
Everything gets forwarded to the Court of Criminal Appeals, which is the Supreme Court over criminal law in Texas. The pathway to this is a lot of waiting.
The Innocence Project said they've worked closely with the Odessa Police Department and the DA.
They've set the bar for how prosecutors and law enforcement agencies across the state should be behaving whenever they have a case that they're pretty sure is a wrongful conviction. They've done everything that we could have ever dreamed of and more. They have been professional. They've been transparent. They've been helpful. I mean, this is kind of a prime example of everyone just looking to make sure justice is done.
Right now, we don't have an exact timeline on when the case will make its way through the system, but we will, of course, keep you updated as we get any new information on Reyos. You can find out more about this case on our website, newswest9.com.